As branded manufacturer margins continue to decline, many distributors are entering private label business. Is this a good idea?
Well, typical consulting answer, it depends. Um, there are two kinds of business the way customers buy product. If they want a brand, if they want a Caterpillar bulldozer or a Rolex watch, they'll go to that dealer. But most business in B2B is called channel-led business. They choose the distributor first, and then they'll buy whatever brand they're selling because they know they want the distributor to worry about making sure it's the right product. So if you have a lot of channel-led business, it probably makes a good idea, but the real problem is that that's only a step along the way. At some point, in healthcare as an example, a lot of the Chinese companies that were making product that was private label have now come to the States and gone to the customers and they've said, you bought my product for 10 years, maybe you should buy it from me. So it's not an answer, it's a step on a process.
Thank you.